Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So if you're familiar with my channel and videos, you probably know I'm a fan of the brand JW Pay. I had done a video where I showed the Joy shoulder bag, okay? And this I had shown as being a great look-alike for a different bag by Diesel. I'm going to insert screenshots so that you have an idea what I'm talking about. I'll also put the link for that video in the description below. This bag in this colorway is beautiful and I was considering getting my friend this as a gift. But as you can see, it's sold out, and I know she's particular to this color green. Now, with the version from JW Pay, it is vegan leather, so it's not real animal leather, and you can see the dimensions on screen. So I thought to myself, JW Pay probably have the bag on Amazon, and they did. And they had it in the lime green color still in stock. Now, I will say it was similar pricing, £89 from the official brand website. Shipping is calculated later on. But from Amazon, you'll get it for £90 and that includes shipping. So again, you're going to pay more on JW Pay. You know me. I got intrigued because then I was thinking, given what my channel is about and what I do, I thought, let me have a look. And guys, did I find a look-alike indeed. Now, it's not the same shade of lime green, but it is more of a sage green, I would say. And it's at a much more affordable price point. I'm not even sure why, but the green, which is the color I'm interested in, was on sale. So I'm sure you can all imagine what I did. I checked the reviews. It's well reviewed, 4.4 stars. And a lot of the reviews gave excellent breakdowns. I had a look at what the like for like comparison is. So again, you can wear it shoulder style. And I could see that it could also be made crossbody. Now, this one, in comparison to the brand version, has got two inner pockets, one that's not zipped and one that is. And you can see the snap closure here is what you unclasp and it lets you turn it crossbody. So I did think to myself, it's worth ordering this so that two reasons. I can do an unboxing and a review for you guys. And because my friend, she doesn't baby her bags, let's say, and she just wanted something in a pop of green. So I thought this ticks off two things. I can check out the quality, let you guys know if it's worth purchasing, and I can get my friend a bag that she wanted in this colorway. So I'm going to insert a clip of me unboxing this bag. I was quite excited. I had to contain my excitement waiting for the bag to be delivered so that I could compare it, because I do have the JW Pay version. And if anybody wants, I can do a side-by-side comparison, but for now I've just done a video unboxing of this bag. As promised, I'm unboxing the Amazon look-alike version of the JW Pay bag, which I also believe is a good look-alike for the Diesel bag. So essentially, this is many price points lower, a good look-alike for the Diesel version. First thing I'll say, Amazon packaging could have been better. It just came in this thin plastic bag, no buffer. And then once you took it out of that bag, it was just in this very thin dust cover, I think it's what it is. Okay. So you can see the bag. It's a lovely green. I mean, on here it might even be looking a little bit lime green, but I think in person it's more of a sage green color. But my friend wanted a green bag. This is definitely a green bag, okay? So same mechanism. I will point out that it does have the brand logo here. If you don't want that, it's gonna come off with a little bit of nail varnish if you were to try that, but I don't really mind it. I think it blends in quite well. The opening is these magnetic clasps, very strong, okay? Now, the first difference, this comes with the strap not attached. So if we take out the packaging, you can see the straps at the bottom. As I pointed out, you do have this non-zip flap and the zipped compartment. Very smooth zip opening. You can definitely get a wallet in there, okay? Compartment, it's given the same size. It's a very nicely structured bag. So these you then attach to the sides of the bag. We're going to attempt to do that on camera. Very easily done, okay? And then now we're going to attach the other side, okay? So making sure goes on perfectly fine. So now you can see this would be shoulder length, okay? If you wanted to make it crossbody, same as the actual JW PEI brand version, you unclasp these straps, pull this up from there, pull this up from there, and then once you get to the top here, you just clip them back in, and now you have a much longer strap that's gonna do crossbody, okay? So I'm gonna put everything back because I am gifting this to my friend, and I will repackage it in much nicer packaging. And so to put it back to shoulder length, you just slide it all the way back down, clip it, and do the same at the other side, okay? Slide it all the way back down. You're gonna clip there, and this will clip back in, and it's perfectly back to shoulder length. So that is the bag. Let me know what you guys think. So that's the video, guys, and if you've enjoyed the content, do give a thumbs up. Do share in the comments what you think. Would you like me to do a side-by-side of this look-alike version from Amazon in comparison with the JW PEI that I own in white? If you are interested in this look-alike, you can get it in beige here, you can get it in black, you can get it in blue and in brown. And if my white ever came to any harm, I would happily replace it with the beige option here. So let me know what you guys thought about the video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!